Hi folks, my name's Jono. I'm from the Wood Fired Oven Company. Today we're going to teach you how to light your oven. Do it in the quickest way possible, the best way possible, to get the best flavour, but also so you can start doing some great recipes within your oven. Most important thing is to get it to the right temperature, and what we want to start using, and what our gold standard is, using kiln dried hardwood. You can get this in Homebase, B&Q, even your local garden centres. And you want this cut into around 12 inches by about 2 to 3 inches. Now the reason why we want to use kiln dried hardwood is because it only has about 20% moisture content, and for this reason it's going to reduce the amount of smoke that's going to be formed within the oven when you're cooking, but when we're lighting up the oven as well. Because the optimal temperature we want to get this to is around 400 degrees. And then we can start basing our food recipes all around that temperature. Okay, so we've got the wood. How are we going to light it? Okay, again, what we think is best is to use your natural fire lighters. Don't use the chemical based fire lighters. The reason for this is that it's not only going to make your food stink and grubby and very chemically. The worst thing that can happen is that you can contaminate the base of your wood-fired oven and the inside of your wood-fired oven. Again, you don't want those flavours affecting your type of food. Now the reason these are so good is because there's no scent to them. Okay, they're dipped in wax and they're very, very easy to light. Okay, so how are we going to actually light it? How are we going to use them? Like I've said, we've got the 12 by 2 or 3 inches piece of kiln dry wood. And what we want to form is a grid pattern in the centre of the oven. I'm going to do it nearer to the door so you can see that and better view it. But if we place 2 either side, around 3 or 4 inches apart, and then again 2 on top, forming that grid pattern. Then like so. Why is it important that we're forming this grid pattern? Because as you can see, there's a lot of gaps. What we want to do is get the air into the fire, more oxygen, the fire's going to start quicker, and we're going to get to that temperature quicker. So once we've got that in the door of the oven, I'm going to push it into the centre. So we've got our natural fire lighters. Get them lit away. See, we're going to put them right in between your stack that you've formed. I always like to use 2, get it burning quicker. What you'll notice is there is no scent at all with them. So what we want to do, going to leave that for about 10 minutes, really get the fire roaring, and then we'll go on to the next stage. So as you can see, we're about 6 or 7 minutes into lighting the fire, and it's absolutely going hell for leather, which is awesome because I'm going to get some food soon. So once it's at this point, what you might want to start doing is just chuck a few more pieces on top of your stack. Please be careful of your hands. If you feel the need to use gloves, do so, or with the paddles that we provide, you can do it that way. I've been doing it a long time, so I'm just going to use my hands. Be aware, it's very, very warm. And again, we're going to leave it for about 3 or 4 minutes. It's really going to get blazing, and we're going to be able to push it to the back to start actually heating the oven up properly. Okay, so we've got all the coals to the back of the oven. We've got the base of the oven nice and clean. We're ready to start cooking our pizzas, our bread, our joints of meat, whatever you fancy. Let's get creative.